I am going to go over this slide one more time. This whole entire slide is called a crossed extensor reflex. It crosses over. There's a pain stimulus, so it's also a withdrawal reflex. It's a flexor reflex because the flexor muscles on that side are pulling up the leg. When it crosses over and goes to the opposite side of the leg pushing down, that would be the extensor. So therefore it's called the crossed extensor reflex. But just remember that this is contralateral when it goes across. If you only count this side, it's ipsilateral on this side. So ipsilateral just means one side. But the whole thing is contralateral. There's more than one synapse. So it's multiple synapses. And over here, the flexor reflex, the reason that it's a crossed extensor is because you have to put down the leg so you don't fall down by doing a flexor reflex or a withdrawal reflex. Just wanted to make sure you understood that. There are polysynaptic reflexes. That just means more than one synapse. Talks about the reciprocal inhibition. So make sure you understand that. The brain can alter these reflexes voluntarily. So say that you're walking on a high wire and a bee stings your nose and you cannot slap it, which would be a reflex. You can actually override it. Higher centers can reinforce spinal reflexes by stimulating it, so you can overreact, or they can inhibit reflexes. Inhibitory postsynaptic potential at the reflex motor neuron, suppressing the neurons. And that is the end of chapter 13.